What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at, well, I would say one of the most unpopular Hot Wheels premium diorama sets of all times. The official name for this set, I think, is Vintage Race Team. And officially it's, I think, a 2024 set. But for me, it's a 2025 set because the whole year this thing was sitting on the shelves of the stores, and obviously it didn't sell that well because this set was reduced down to 10 euros when I bought this. And well, that's pretty insane because basically you get 4 premium models from Hot Wheels for 10 euros or 2 euros 50 per model. That is pretty cheap. And well, the reason, I don't know, I think basically these models represent older stuff from the 1940s, 1950s, and yeah, not everybody likes that. And on top of that, we got a boat. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, I would say let's take a look at the models because we got a new casting and 2 castings we've only seen once before. So let's get started. I bought 2 sets and I already got 1 out of the packaging. And we get started with this thing, which is called the Speedways. I think, yeah, it's kind of an hauler from body style from the 1940s. The interesting thing here is we have a plastic base, but it's only this small part here. The rest is basically metal. So not only the cap, also the whole back part here is metal, and this thing is really heavy. That's something I really like. Comes with Moon Eyes deco, obviously. This thing doesn't have an interior. We get chrome rims, looking pretty good. Not that gray plastic stuff that I don't like. Yeah, doesn't have an interior. And well, painted headlights. So yeah, not my body style, but it feels pretty heavy, as I said. On top of that comes this thing here, the classic hydroplane. I think we've only seen this once before. I don't know how many Hot Wheels collectors are into these or this type of speedboat. To be honest, I don't know much about that. Yeah, also comes with Moon Eyes deco, and this boat always comes with a plastic rack, so you can put it on top of the speedways. And it's if you take a close look, this thing fits perfectly back in here with the propeller. It only fits one way, and then yeah, put it on here and yeah, drive this thing around. That's it. Then we have this thing here. It's also pretty interesting. Once again, not my era of cars. I think the original Citroen H1 started in the 1950s, but as you can see, this is kind of a racing version, whatever. See, it doesn't have back doors, and the engine is back in there. So yeah, but it comes with a really nice livery. This thing is painted in flat blue, and yeah, saying the future is our fault. Pretty interesting deco, a lot of deco on this thing. It's also yeah, kind of heavy, by the way. And we've only seen this once before. I think it was in a Disney set. So yeah, don't see this thing very often. And our last model, is the Toyota Stout Drift truck, and this is a completely new casting for this set. Basically a pickup truck that also looks a little bit like from the 1950s, but as you can see, it comes with this extreme body kit and a lot of racing or drift livery. Also not really my cup of tea, but well. So that's the whole set. I mean, I can't understand why people are not too much into that stuff. I don't know why Hot Wheels is doing that. Basically, I would say it's the era of cars that the people are not so much into. But for 10 euros, in my opinion, pretty good deal. New casting and some, nice deco here, Moon Eyes and the Citroen. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.